Hello and welcome to day 4 of 7 days of spring with DearJulieJulie and myself, Cara Brandon. And for today's pages, we have this one that has the 4 journaling cards from Julie. And then we have this one that has a pocket and some ephemera. So I went ahead and cut them out, and then the cards I backed with some cardstock and file folder just to make them sturdier. And then I also took the little circle pieces and I backed those with file folder as well, because I think I'm going to use these as little danglies. And then I have this folded and ready to go. There's a piece right here that you might want to snip off that when it folds up you can see it, so I went ahead and did that. And I'm going to actually use this as a pocket, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. And then if you want, you could do inking or something in the back since it's white. One of the collage papers would work. I think I am going to leave mine the way it is since I just glued it. I'll add a little ink. There. Okay. And once we get some things in there, it'll be fine. So for now, I'm going to set that one aside and let's work on the tags. I think these will look super cute in here. Or, oh, that one's, oh, I like how that one is. That one fits perfectly. And then we could also use these somewhere else. All right, so let's work on this one. I've trimmed it down. It has the cardstock on the back. And like I was saying, I think it would be fun to add a little dangle. Like I like my danglies. So I'm gonna use my punch. Oh wait, let me think about this. It's gonna be, we want to punch on this side. And put this in here. There we go. I actually have some pins in my bucket. I think this one, do I want a big? I think I need to switch to the smaller size. There we go, and just do right at the top. There we go. Smoosh. Okay. And then we can add this. Do I want anything else? How about I have this fabric that I've been using. I think one of these fabric stamps would be fun. That's the right color. And then what else do I have over here? This is also part of that same fabric. How about this number 5, this little advertisement 5? There we go. That'll be fun. All right. I have this at the top. So put this one in the back. Maybe. we go. And then the 5. And then get this guy. Gosh, I do this every time. Every time. Try this again. There we go. Pretty cute. Or let's see. We have it go this way. It might. No, it did not. Okay, so we'll go with this way. It's not laying the way I want it to lay. That's a little better. And if it dangles off the side, that's fine. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna leave it and then I get myself with the layer. I'm getting stuck. Alright. Little ink. And let's add, I want to add a butterfly. Let's add this ticket. All right. This can go in there. That's cute. I like it. I think we might need a butterfly on here, so let's do that. Yep. All right, so that we'll set aside. And then we have these guys. I love this one. Maybe I should make it, I kind of trimmed it, I followed the lines of it and it wasn't super straight, so maybe we should try and straighten it out a little bit. Still looks a little wonky, but that's all right. Okay, what should we do? I just like it kind of like this. I think it looks great. Because then that would be a nice journaling spot. So I might leave that one alone for now. Now we have these guys. Not sure. And not sure about this one. This might get another dangle. This one says a joyful birthday. So it's a birthday card. pink. I don't know about the pink, but it's spring, so it kind of goes with the page. All right, so let's do the same thing. This is really cool. I think it was a scan of a penny or a coin of some sort. It's really cool. Somewhere. Might be out of my favorite color. We'll use silver. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. And I'm gonna make a hole here. Use another silver one. There we go. Okay. Oh, and I need another pin. This chain would be fun. Meh. Let's go with the pin. Okay, look at this one. Let's put it through first. And then we have this guy and this guy. See, I think it's better. Not sure what I did. Maybe because I used the smaller one, that could be. All right. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. A little fabric scrappiness down here. I have this from the other day. And then I have this piece of the Tim Holtz wallpaper. So I'll make a little cluster. This one's good too. Make a little cluster down here. A little ink, and there we are. All right. This one, I think I might cut out the flower. And I also want to cut out the book plate. think I might keep this and use it somewhere in the journal. But it's all ready to go. Let's see. Kind of fun on the cover. Or maybe in the back, that would be kind of fun. So I might add that to my cover a little bit later. So for now, I have my little envelope that I can glue into a page. And then we have this other journaling card. This one I just love the way it is. I might add something to it. And then I have my other little bits and this flower. It might be like if I had a pull out, this might be a tab onto this. It'd be kind of fun. But I wouldn't know which side yet, so I'm just gonna leave it. All right, so today, this is what we did. All right, thank you so much for joining me for day 4 of 7 days of spring. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.